How to use amygdala in day-to-day life. So this video is all about how one can use their amygdala, a small organ present in the brain in day-to-day life, so that you can move forward very faster in your life. Recognize amygdala's role in emotional processing. So amygdala means it is actually connected with emotions. So emotions playing a very major role in our development. So understand your emotions and you can move forward in your life. Recognize this. Cultivate emotional intelligence through self-awareness. So emotional intelligence is very important for self-awareness. So cultivate this mindset so that you can move forward in your life. Practice deep breathing to calm the amygdala's response. So breathing plays a very major role. So breathing is everything is for breathing. Particularly deep breathing, which actually calms your mind. That also play a role in amygdala's response. Engage in regular exercise to regulate amygdala activity. So regular exercise, maybe it's a physical activity or mental activity, which actually regulate amygdala activity. So select relevant exercises which actually regulate your amygdala. Use visualization techniques to reframe amygdala-driven thoughts. So use best visualization techniques which are very easier for you, which is very convenient to you. So which actually seek social support to alleviate amygdala-triggered anxiety. So anxiety is a very common problem in our life now. So seek social support and get rid of this anxiety. Practice gratitude to counteract amygdala's negative bias. So always practice gratitude. Say thanks for even a small help rendered by your friend or your family member. This actually counteracts the amygdala's negative bias. It's a very simple technique. Engage in creative outlets to channel amygdala-driven emotions. So you should have creative outlets, small things, so which actually channelize your amygdala-driven emotions in a proper way, in a positive way. Develop healthy stress management techniques for amygdala balance. So you have to balance amygdala. So amygdala is nothing but it actually connected with emotions. We are having both emotions, positive as well as negative, right? So you have to balance these emotions. So in turn you are balancing amygdala. Incorporate mindfulness practices into daily routine for amygdala regulation. You have to do mindful techniques. You have to practice in a daily life. So in turn it will regulate amygdala. Create a safe and nurturing environment to reduce amygdala activation. So nurture your environment, right? So it will reduce. Engage in activities that promote relaxation and reduce amygdala reactivity. So one has to reduce the reactivity through the amygdala. That is by relaxation. So engage yourself in relaxation activities. Practice empathy and understanding to soothe the amygdala's response. So you have to practice empathy. So it will calm the amygdala. Prioritize self-care to maintain amygdala well-being. So self-care is very important, and this actually maintains the amygdala's well-being. So first priority is the self-care. So take care of yourself. Challenge and reframe irrational amygdala-driven fears and anxieties. So get rid of this negative mindset, negative thoughts such as fears and anxieties by reframing your mindset. Engage in hobbies that bring joy and activate the amygdala's pleasure centers. So you should have dopamine activities which actually release the anger and anxiety Create a daily routine that includes activities to calm and regulate the amygdala. So you should calm and you should make peace in your mind. So in turn it would regulate the amygdala. Surround yourself with positive influences to counteract amygdala triggered negativity. So always negative things also will be there as a part of life. So you should counteract with the positive things. So try to have positive mindset, positive influences to counteract this negative one. Practice self-compassion to soothe the amygdala's response to self-criticism. So you should be very careful when you are doing response to the self-criticism. So you should be balance your mind. So just to practice self-compassion. Engage in deep conversations to stimulate and engage the amygdala. So deep conversations, engagement is one of the ways by which you can stimulate and engage the amygdala in a positive way. Use aromatherapy with the calming sense to relax the amygdala. So aromatherapy is one of the simple and the best therapy where you can keep your mind peace with calmness. So you just relax your mind, so you are relaxing the amygdala. So the emotions will be controlled. Spend time in nature to soothe and reset the amygdala's hyperactivity. So too much amygdala's hyperactivity is also not good. So control it. So you should get along with the nature. So spend time in nature. Practice positive self-talk to rewire amygdala's negative thought patterns. So just rewiring with the passive self-talk, right? That will actually nullify the effects of the negative thought patterns of amygdala. Engage in laughter and humor to activate the amygdala's joy response. This is one of the very, very important and simple technique. So watch comedies, right? Watch interesting things, and make yourself in a good humor, good mood. Seek professional help if the amygdala's response significantly impacts daily life. Instead of doing all this, you are not right and you are always in the negative, then try to seek professional help and set it right. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.